Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas. We just got this one in about an hour ago. This is a 2014 Ford F-150. It's got the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder turbo EcoBoost. It's a nice full crew cab. It is XLT, but it does have leather seats. It's got great tread on open country tires. You know, that's a expensive tire. Fixed running boards, nice chrome rims all the way around. It's got a chrome bumper in the back. It's got the radar sensor backup. Also, it's got a little backup camera under the logo there. Bed's in really good shape. Got a rear sliding window. Again, those open country Toyo tires. Great tread on all of them. It looks like the truck might be slightly leveled by an inch or two. It's got just a little bit more stance than normal, it looks like. Got your power locks, power windows, power mirrors, of course power seats with the leather. Beautiful tan leather. Leather's in good shape, no tears in it. Got heavy duty rubber floor mats throughout, custom fitted to the truck. Let's go ahead and start it up. Right at 182,000 miles on it. As you can see, no warning lights. Got your four-wheel drive with locking differential. Got your built-in trailer brake. Over here, if we put it in reverse, you got the backup camera, along with all the other radio and CD features. It does have Microsoft Sync, which includes your Bluetooth. Also includes a USB and auxiliary input. Your air control here, the air is blowing nice and cold, which you really need this time of year. There's your little microphone for the Bluetooth. Nice big cup holders. Lots of room in the center storage. A couple more cup holders in the back. Nice big heavy duty floor mat in the back here. The leather seats. Take a look around the other side here. Got the heavy duty floor mat here. It's got all the original books in it, it appears. Seats are in great shape here. There's your rear sliding window. That's electric. It's going to be controlled from the up front overhead. These seats will also fold up if you want a little bit more room in the back. Take a look under the hood. As you can hear, quiet running motor. This turboed V6 has a ton of power and pretty good gas mileage. Love to get you approved on this truck. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out a credit application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.